What's going on, guys? It's Brooks Customs, and I'm coming to you today to bring you the new project. It's a G35 2004. Used. It has some work I have to do, but this is the starting project. I have the CB7 over there, which I'm currently working on the body. Little dings that's in the car. That's why it looks like that. I have the E46 as well in the back, but enough about that. We are talking about this, the new project car. See what I'm saying? Yeah. So fender has been replaced. Put in new headlights, LED, halos, custom grill, custom front bumper as well. It's a lot of work that needs to be done. Really, I'm gonna paint it and I'm gonna take y'all through the process step by step on this project with me. So let's get it started. I don't know if all Infinitis does this. Well, the coupes I've been coming across, I don't know why, but it tends to rub. I'm gonna fix that as well. But yeah, has a little short ram intake. That's really it for the moment. Also, the person I purchased the car from, he tried to do the red interior, well, dye the seats red. I'm guessing it's flaking, so I have to get ahead and fix that as well. Also, I'm going to do it to that seat and more than likely the back seat as well. So I'll show y'all how to dye seats throughout the process. Oh, that's my neighbor. He has a, I don't know if you can be able to see that, but he has a Nismo 370Z. I have to fix the windshield as well. It has a cracked windshield. I'm gonna let y'all hear how it start up. This is a cold start for the day. Got some sound to it, that VQ. Also, no lights on the dash. But yeah, to the exhaust. This is a cold start. Custom exhaust, I guess. I have to come through and really look at it, but yeah, so it's no longer dual exhaust. It's a single exit, which I don't like the tip. I'll be changing that as well. It comes from the wide pipe to an exhaust muffler, which I'm not quite sure what it is, out to the single exhaust. Yeah, so this is the new project car. I have a lot coming. There's a lot coming for this car, so you have to stick through. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram as well at Brooks Customs. I will put it in the video, like right here. I'm still new to this, you guys. But yeah, this is the new project car, Infiniti G35 coupe. And also, I will be showing y'all how to paint this. It's body work that I'm working on with this, as in little dings and scratches and runs. See what I'm saying? Yeah, both gonna be painted within the next couple weeks. It's getting warm out. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. Oh, you see him on his chopper. Yeah, so I'm currently in Atlanta. Yeah, it's nice outside today, so hopefully the weather picks back up, start getting warm, and we're gonna get it on the road. But two black babies, black cars are starting to come together. It's gonna come together. It's getting warm out, why not? And there's plans to get this back on the road too, but that's later down the road. Yeah, we're gonna talk about these cars today. I mean, it's pretty good. It's quiet. Only thing I don't like about these this body style, it consumes a lot of oil. It burns a lot of oil. So y'all have to make sure y'all keep up with how much oil is in your motor. But here are some clips. Well, you're gonna hear it rev. Yeah. You know, it's loud, but it's not too loud. You also can hear the intake. It screams. It's a VQ. That's what a VQ does. But yeah, stay tuned.